What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is one of those really different videos. Today is a great day. I'm excited. I've never seen anything like this. I thought I've seen everything in the world, but I haven't. This is a 6-door truck. It's very long. It is amazing. It's done right. It looks awesome. Look how many seats we have here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 9-seat truck. This is crazy. The customer is from South Carolina. He is here today to get some modifications to this truck. It is a 2022 GMC Sierra 3500. I don't know what trim package it is. I'll have to look. But today we're going to be doing some upgrades on it. We're doing a set of suspension max keys, some 37-inch tires. I think we're doing the Nitto Ridge Grappler. I didn't look at the ticket and see, but I think it's the Ridge Grappler. And then we're doing some gloss black G21 replica wheels with paint match fender flares and the side marker lights for them, and some Fox shocks too. I forgot about that. So I think we're doing a 1-inch block in the back as well. This truck's going to be awesome. It already is awesome. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you this truck. It's long like crazy, but I just drove the truck. I was super nervous about it being too long and me wrecking it or not being able to turn all the way or getting stuck somewhere with it. But inside the truck, it really doesn't feel like it's that long. All right, so we have our beautiful 2022 GMC Sierra 3500. This is the limousine truck. It is ready to go. 6 doors, fully functional. We did the Suspension Max torsion key leveling kit on this truck. It's the same one we use on all the standard Sierra and Silverado 2500s. There it is, looks really nice. We did the Fox shocks with it as well. The 2.0s, these are amazing. They really improved the ride of the truck a lot, and they look great on there too. The tires we went with on this one are the 37 12 50 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. This is a great all-terrain tire, very quiet, very good, smooth ride, long lasting. These are the OE replica, OE concept G21 wheels in gloss black. and we use the GMC standard caps with it too. They come with a blank cap, but you can add these GMC caps in that come from the factory. They fit right in the wheels just like that. Truck's awesome. You know, I spent a lot of time on the inside of the truck earlier, so I'm not gonna waste too much more of your time with that, but the truck looks awesome. I'll give you one more last look at the interior. There's some stuff back there now, but you know, the truck is huge on the inside. I love this. It doesn't even feel that long when you drive it. I thought it was gonna feel like a semi truck, but it really doesn't. You don't notice it as much. Overall, love the way the truck looks. He's about to head back to South Carolina now with the truck, and I wanted to say I appreciate him a lot for spending the time to drive all the way here just to get a leveling kit and some tires. We did a little bit more, but you know what I'm saying. We also did the color match fender trim on his. This is something you can buy through us from GM. It's pre-painted for the truck already, and it comes with the, or it didn't come with it, but we added the, you know, Recon, I think's the brand, or maybe this is the other brand. He has two brands that we use here. So these are the smoked side marker lights. That's really a cool look on the truck. Let me know what you think in the comments about this truck. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out. My number here is 678-994-9180. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. My name is Jake. Thank you, guys. Wanted to also throw in the video Custom Autos by Tim in what city in Oklahoma? Guthrie, Oklahoma did the conversion on this truck. So if you guys, you know, feel like getting 6 doors, give him a call, give him a shout out. I'm going to tag the video of this truck being made in the description below on my video. So take a look at it, and thanks for watching, guys.